Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about the Wheelock Exceder. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright everybody, so in front of me I have the Wheelock Exceder that I've had in my collection for a while. You've probably seen this on a couple videos, and today I'm going to talk about some things that I like, because after having this device for a while, I can say that it is probably one of my favorite devices in my collection. And the best thing about these is that they are still being made today. Most often than not, if installers choose not to go with system sensor products, they usually go with Wheelock or Simplex products. And if they go with Wheelock, then they usually put these in now because these are some of the latest Wheelock devices available on the market. This Wheelock Exceder is an upgraded version of the old ZNS series that Wheelock had for a while, which is also an upgraded version of a Wheelock NS that I don't currently have in my collection. These devices sound the same and have a lot of similar features. However, this one looks a lot better and has some cooler features than this previous generation. This device features the snap-in mounting bracket, a feature carried over from the ZNS series, as well as field selectable candela on the side, going from 15 to 1575, 30, 75, 90, 110, 135, all the way up to 185 candela, which is a lot more than the ZNS offered, which only went to 110 candela. This device has two options for horns, code 3 or continuous, and has 3 volume levels, low, medium, and high, 90, 95, and 99 decibels respectively. This device has a modern, updated design with a candela window over here and a horn grill at the bottom, as well as fire lettering in the front. However, there's no fire lettering on the sides. One thing I love about this alarm, and I think many other enthusiasts love about it as well, is this built-in almost safety cage on it. It's a plexiglass cover that goes over the strobe and covers the whole face of the alarm. And it's pretty tough too. It seems like it could probably withstand a good amount of force. Not only does this plexiglass give this device some protection, it also adds to that updated modern look. Now for some things I don't particularly care for about this device. The plastic's kind of flimsy. Eventually this is definitely going to break. These contact tabs in here seem to wear down pretty easy. One thing about this device is that there's no true weatherproof version that looks as cool as this. Currently Wheelock is using the Wheelock AS series for outdoor weatherproof devices. This design has been around since the 1990s. Nothing personal, but it's definitely time for a new look. Alright, we're going to go ahead and give the Wheelock Exceder a test. This device sounds almost identical to the previous Wheelock NS series and Wheelock ZNS series. However, this alarm does have an updated piezo, so it has a slightly different overtone series. However, it's obvious that they used the same file for both this device and its previous older cousins. We're going to go ahead and start our test by pulling down this Simplex T-bar. As you can see, this alarm has that distinct Wheelock shrillness that comes with it, and the plexiglass over the strobe adds for extra reflection, giving this alarm a lot of light output. This alarm is a really great alarm if you are just getting started in fire alarm collecting and want a first device, or if you're looking to install a fire alarm system in a building. I would definitely recommend putting these in. They are great, they work well. And overall, I'm very pleased with this device. You can find these online and on Amazon for around $40. You can definitely find cheaper options on eBay. Usually used, these go anywhere from $15 to $25. That's going to do it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. And with that being said, like the video, leave comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel.